I go on general.
Say I hold it in a God.
I hold it, isn't it?
What you mean?
What's next?
You know, so we don't know from here.
Yeah, you must think, my youth.
But man, this man a dog. This man a dog. That's why your woman give you bun, you know.
Yeah, I tell. One woman I give me bun. Right. Yo. Don't call her, man. You know what? Sub market, isn't it?
Yeah.
Couple questions.
Yeah, that is the shell, man.
Money rain.
Alright, we're there with the general, isn't it? Yeah. If your friend mouth stink, who do you tell him?
Yeah, depends on how sticky it is.
If your friend mouth stink, who do you tell him?
Yeah, man, cause you have to tell him neatly like how him fi understand like some man, you know, say you have a bad vibes inside the leather, something how you drink, can't wash out cause your mouth have a birthday smell. So him mother say, boy, you know me have a bad teeth, but I say, you know me have things with that come me do them work there. Yeah. You see, allows you use and soak with warm water and you be gone.
If your friend mouth stink, you tell him. Straight out, not out things, why your mouth smell good. I don't know why you worry that the type of mouth.
Yeah, like dirty sack stinkness. Just you know that stink. Yeah, keep but if you well think about that when I'm face, me tell him, I tell her.
Alright, so how you that tell her?
Tell him one away and say, you know, say more thick dog. But if somebody and I say, boy, your mouth stink, move.
Alright, we're there with the legendary, curious movie star, artist, everything, isn't me? Yeah, man. Alright, my general. If your friend wanna cheat on him, who do you tell him?
The motel who? Tell the brethren, say woman a cheat?
Yeah.
No, me not responsible for my woman business.
No, cause we don't want to be the one to destroy them relationship, you know.
You understand? I find that himself, is it? Because we don't want to mash up relationship, you know, because cheating is necessary some case in life, you understand? When man don't play their role, you know, so woman go do, one do look at something, you know, you go, I game.
You say a little cheating is okay.
Long as it's responsible, you know. Long as that just them to know themselves and do them do properly. But once nobody no find out the game I play, because I never stop playing from that time till this time, you know. But I think go on.
Alright, no fist my general.
Burn it down.
Yeah, right. If him a cheat with his girlfriend, you don't have to tell him. The first thing you do, you say, man, you know, ram girl in all 3-4 course me did all you and them thing the dog. Boy, I'm soft, you know, them thing there in the car. You know, nature wise, you know, me say bump on it. You know, have to tell him.
Yeah.
A helping one, you kind of have the nature. So if you jump to conclusion and you are set trouble and you are set plan, yes, my brother, most strength. If you're in the family, others gathers. We talk, yeah? Aye, with the palm meeting. Yes, my brother. So that is the role of mankind. Now rush them to conclusion. You can't smooth when the danger. And you say, my brother, I saw the tradition is. Yeah, brothers? Yes, and in love with that.
No,
so no one in a hit. And if you a cheat, check him by nature first. Say, boy, oh, you're a lot. When me a walk, girl, 3 course. Oh, you're a hit. Yeah, boy, be soft in a hit, you know. Not telling wife, not him nothing. For helping one. Yeah? So check the tradition before you go to conclusion. And you will be a Genko meeting master to school friend and gathers about plan and you never have problem. But when you say, boy, see a girl with man, and I eat that him take off a dog, you're a fool. Yeah. No, I want you to set a hurt, man.
If your friend wanna cheat on him, would you tell him?
Jesus Christ, I don't want to know. Still like that joke, me, I know. Could have gone after them relationship, you know. Yeah, hard for me tell him, you know. But I tell him still, you know, because my friend, you know, give him a little heads up and make him know and say, yo, watch out now. Pre-relationship, you see it? Yeah.
Real men, bless.
If your friend wanna cheat on him, you tell him.
No, I'm not going to tell him. You know the reason why. If he in relationship, I have to find out that for himself.
Oh, you're not a real friend then, man.
Yeah. Me a real friend, but here I don't know when you go tell a man, woman say, or a man, or a woman, man, when them link up back together, where you are going to look like the informer.
Oh, you know what I say no, and then you go take you around and feel like say probably you're looking human or something like that.
Exactly. So, me no business with that. You must find out that himself, but we good.
If your friend woman a give him bun, would you tell him that?
Well, no, I think business that. Well, I'm last know, you know, I will tell him. I'm last know. Try to find out himself. I tell him.
If you have a friend and his partner cheat on her, would you tell her or him?
No. That's a no for me because when you get involved in relationship, that's another problem. You're in between two of them. So no for me. They would have to find out for themselves. Yes.
Alright.
Okay, is your husband cheating on you? Well, the way I see life is that that's been going on for generations and generations and generations. It's one of these things that happen. How close a relationship do you have with your husband? How much, are you dealing with him in such a way that he wouldn't want nobody else?
So it all comes down to the relationship.
It all comes down to the relationship.
Thank you very
And
much.
I'm not sure I would tell her. Because if she doesn't know or she don't pick it up herself, she's not that.
So if a friend mouth stink, would you tell him?
Yeah, man, you have to tell him, man. But you must think, man.
How you that tell him say he mouth stink?
I say, brah, you better go brush your teeth, brah. You must think, man.
If your friend mouth smell, would you tell her?
Well, depends on the relationship we have. Yes, I would. Because if something wrong with me, I would love for my friend to tell me also. So I think that's the right way to go.
So if your friend mouth stink, would you tell him?
Well, I tell him, you know. Because he would want him tell me too.
Are you suffering with something that cause your mouth to smell? And in asking them, I would determine how they respond to it. Then I would get further into whatever have you and explain to them that so it's happening. So it's something you should take care of. But if it's telling you that something else is happening with you from a health standpoint, so you need to check that out. It's not necessarily the mouth.